owning an older model or vintage motorcycle can get very expensive very quickly. My turn signal indicator no longer flashes and only lights up solid. I suspect the culprit is a signal relay, which on this Honda 1974 CB550 is this component right here. There's a capacitor in this that goes bad. All capacitors after time do go bad. I think this is a 10 microfarad in this. So what I've done is I've gone to the local auto parts store and purchased a generic 12-volt signal relay for less than $7, $6.99. Which this is 12 volts, the same as a car, so it should work. The only thing you want to take note is there is an L and an X on the back. L is to the lamp, X is to the positive side of the battery. So when you remove this, you'll just want to take note which side is the lamp side. To use this original OEM part would cost more time and money. Okay, I put the generic relay in there, and already you can hear it's clicking. So I know it works. Well, that's it. I'm Brad Peterson.
I'm Josh Bowers.
Telling you to drive safely
and keep it vertical, man.